Hey guys, today is March 9th. You're never gonna believe where I am. I'm in Seattle at the the Museum of Flight. Look at this glorious thing. There's Corky over there. This is the first 747. And look at this engine, you guys. Look how big this engine is. It's so big. Like, look, I can touch it. It's so big. There's another one. And look at these tires. And that's something. Lockheed L. Corky, what is this? 727? Oh, of course. There's a Lockheed. It's over there. That thing over there. But look, this is the coolest thing. Well, the 747 is the coolest thing, but aside from that, the coolest thing is over here. I haven't seen a 727 in real life before. I don't think. This is Air Force One. But the coolest thing is right here.
Look at this fat one.
What is it?
515?
I've never heard of that. But look at this, you guys. This is a Concorde. Look. You can? Yes! Look at this Concorde. Beautiful.